Hey guys, this is Poet Spice and I am here to do this month's Christmas All Year collab, which is hosted by Scrap Passion One. And so we're just making Christmas stuff all year long. However you want to do that, you can. So let me just go ahead and get started. Oh gosh, excuse me. So I used these holly branches, the gold ones from Griffin. Use that. I use this super old decorative bell die from Crafter's Companion when their dies were called Diesires. So that was way back in the day. Way back in the day. Let me see. I wonder if they have a copyright. No, I don't see a date. I was very curious to see what it would be. I know that I got this like way back when there was still Tuesday morning. So you know that was a minute. Then I used some, excuse me, I used some gold and silver paper that I had from Pat Catan. So you know that was old. Then I also used part of this Griffin vintage Halloween card making kit. Yes, I know it says vintage Halloween, and yet I used it for Christmas. So once again, here's an example where something that's just because it says one thing does not mean that you have to use it for that. Okay, so yeah, just keep that in mind. So for example, here's one of the card bases out of this kit, right? And sure, it's black and gray, whatever, but there's nothing on here that is specifically Halloween, right? Right. So don't be confined by what your quote unquote products say they are to be used for. Okay. Okay. That's my thing I always see. All right. So I just made 2 cards. I need to put sentiments on them, but I just couldn't figure out which one I wanted to do. So I just went with what I have. So I used the 5x7 card bases out of that kit. And so here's the first one. So you can see where I just cut that out. And then here is the background. So it's just like a light, well, it's gray and gold foiling. And so I just put the gold on here and then inlaid a silver bell and used those pieces. And I think it's absolutely gorgeous. No hint that this would be from a Halloween card at all. So then on the inside, I took some scraps. Like I had this piece of scrap paper left over from a different project. So I put that in there, and then I have to get the glue off there. Then I just put this scrap of gold, since this part was gold, and then I'll put like another cream piece here and then whatever on the inside. So there's just that one. And then it's a little envelope. And then I did this one. So I used the silver, so I just reversed, you know, if I do 2 or 3 they get all reversed. And so I put the holly there, and I just kind of liked it, and I like this little piece because I think I'm gonna put the sentiment over here. And so you can see how that goes. And then look, so there's the background for that card base. There's nothing there that says Halloween other than it's gray. And, you know, you put it with silver and it's silver. So there you go. And so then I put that same color here. And then, now that the glue's dry, I can see it and get it off of there. And then put the silver piece so that I could end up using those scraps. So those are my 2 cards for Christmas. And so check out the other ladies who are participating. And don't forget that if you would like to play along, just go ahead and use the hashtag. See you guys later and be safe.